Is your laundry day on pause because your washer timer won't budge? Let's get it working again. First things first, safety comes first. Always unplug your washer before you begin. Now, let's check if your timer is really the problem. If your Kenmore washer won't move to the next cycle, or just stops, the timer could be to blame. But sometimes it's just a loose knob. Try turning it slowly. If it's stuck or feels wobbly, the timer might need attention. Next, remove the control panel. Most Kenmore washers have screws at the back. Unscrew them and gently lift the panel. You'll see the timer, a round part with wires connected. Check if the wires are loose. If so, push them back in. Still not working? You might need to replace the timer. Take a picture of where the wires go before you remove anything. Then unplug the wires, unscrew the timer, and swap in a new one. Reconnect everything, screw the panel back, and plug in your washer. Give it a test run. If your Kenmore washer now works, you've done it. If not, it might be time to call a pro. But for many homeowners, this simple fix can save time and money. Good luck.